Well, I've been working on the new Project 3rd Gen 4Runner. This one's a 99. It's the really rusty one. Got the holes in the rockers. Got it running pretty decent. Still got a bit of a misfire that I'm trying to work out on it. Changed the oil. New used old battery. Put a grill in it. Swapped a hood to a matching one that's painted. Cleaned up the interior. Got all the mouse droppings and stuff vacuumed out at least. I even replaced the driver's side seat cushion. So I've been doing some work on this thing. Did a little bit of exhaust sealing. It was leaking around all the flanges, so just did the easy thing and put some muffler weld cement on it. But now it is making kind of a nasty noise, which might make this thing a part out car after all. Go ahead and start it up for you. You can hear it's still down a cylinder, cranking there. Sounds good up top. Seems to be running smooth-ish. But underneath, it's kind of intermittent.